YouTube, long time, no vlog. If you don't know me, my name is Shelby and I love skateboarding. I like to make a lot of videos around skateboarding and that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. So I am driving to a field. I'm trying to learn kickflips and I wanna just kind of like film my progression today because I've been really close to landing one. If you're learning kickflips as well, I highly recommend practicing on a turf field just because the turf beads are pretty forgiving and I think it's a great surface to practice on. So last time that I practiced kickflips, I went to this field and I was landing on my board, but I had like my weight on my heels too much, so I kind of just like bounced right off of the board. So today I'm really hoping to get some progression and maybe even land a kickflip. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Bye! I'm not gonna lie, I'm still like very self-conscious about like being out in public and filming myself. At least it just looks like I'm filming skateboard tricks so I can see what I look like, but as a new YouTuber, maybe some of you guys can relate to this, maybe it goes away, but like filming yourself in public when people are walking by is like really funny. Okay, that's enough of a break. I'm so annoyed. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna take a break. I don't know what to do. I've been trying to kickflip for probably 20 minutes now. I'm tired, guys. This is hard work, takes consistency. But I don't know how much longer I'm gonna go, but I feel like today is still progress. Knowing that I was able to not only land over top of my board, but stay on for the first time. That's something, but I don't know, I'm still like, I feel like I should be able to land another one at least. So I'm gonna try to keep going until I at least land one more. Let's see.